Good morning, everyone. Hello, welcome to the Health Breakdown. Have you ever wondered what the secret is to living a long, healthy life? Not just existing into old age, but thriving past 90 with energy, clarity, and purpose. We often imagine longevity as a result of genetics or luck, but research shows that our daily habits, especially how we start our mornings, play a powerful role in predicting how long we live. So today, I want to share with you the top 5 morning habits that predict you'll live past 90, habits backed by science and practiced by some of the world's longest living people. Waking up with a sense of purpose can profoundly influence not just your mindset, but also your longevity and quality of life. People who live into their 90s and beyond often attribute their vitality to having something meaningful to look forward to each day. This sense of direction, whether it's caring for a loved one, tending a garden, volunteering, or engaging in a hobby, is more than just a motivational boost. It's a biological one as well. Numerous studies have shown that individuals with a strong sense of purpose live longer and are less prone to chronic illnesses. Purpose has been linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease, improved immune function, and even reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. When the brain is engaged with meaningful goals, it releases chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which support emotional well-being and help manage stress. These aren't just